Alright, hey guys. Alright, so what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you how to make the most bomb-ass hot chocolate you've ever had. Now you're gonna need some milk, obviously. We're gonna use some Nesquik chocolate powder, and then we're gonna have some Cool Whip in there too. But my secret ingredient lies within this shelf. Ceylon cinnamon, that's what you want. That adds some sick flavor to your hot chocolate. So, first thing you're gonna wanna do, crank up that stove. Then, you're gonna wanna get your milk. Try to do this one-handed. Pour that puppy in there. Don't skimp out on this step, because you want to make sure you have enough for at least 2 fully grown Korean men. And then you're going to want to get that chocolate powder. You want to get some, now you can just eyeball this step, but you're going to want to just toss that in there like so. And then, once you're done with that, you're going to want to get a little bit of this Ceylon cinnamon. Now you might be asking, what the hell's the difference between regular cinnamon and Ceylon cinnamon? Well, I have no fucking idea, but we're just going to go with the fact that I think it tastes better. Now, after you've put both ingredients in, you're just going to mix it like so. See that? That's how you know you got a good hot chocolate going. Alright, you want to make sure it's brown, but not like, you know, too brown, because that means you put too much stuff in there. And seeing little chunks on top like that is great, because I like those little chunks to float to the top after it's warmed up. I'll just close this. Oh my god. This isn't the most professional video, I know, but this is how you know it's real. I'm keeping it real here. Just put this bad boy back in there. Oh, and as a side note, where is it? Yeah, never mind. Oh, right here. Now, I've been told that if you put a tiny bit of this in your hot chocolate, that it's actually going to taste better. But I never believed that, because, I mean, you're putting cheese in hot chocolate, and that doesn't, I can't see how that would taste good. But that's just me. I know some people that put, you know, mustard in their macaroni and cheese and then mix some soy sauce in it. Like, I don't live that kind of life. I don't live that kind of on the edge lifestyle. So we're just gonna pop this back over here while that warms up. Side note number 2, if anyone can tell me whether or not these actually work, like vitamins and stuff, like Fiber Much, Essential 1, all these, because I take them every morning, but do they make a difference? Because I don't feel any different. Maybe it's like the kind of thing where it just makes you healthier, but you don't really feel it. Like, I don't know. Anyway, back to the hot chocolate. You're gonna want to get your Cool Whip ready. And the way you can tell if this is done, besides it steaming, is if it's steaming. I don't know. Someone's calling me. But yeah, I'll get back to you on that one. Alright, and once you got that down, once it's pretty much warmed up, you want to get your favorite mug. All right, and you're gonna want to get 2 of them because, well, I guess I don't really know why I'm making it for 2 people, but I mean, you have as much as you want, but I always think the more the merrier. I don't know what I'm really talking about at this point. I'm just kind of saying things like I usually do. Kind of just want to sit back in my bed and watch Venom. Haven't actually seen that movie yet, but I've heard good things. Is it a Marvel movie? I was told it was a Marvel movie. I don't know if it's a Marvel movie or not, because if that's true, then like, I don't know, where was he in Infinity War, you know? Or does it take place after Infinity War? I don't know. Now, you can tell if it's done by it being kind of like a lighter color. That's how you know that stuff's done. So now you're going to want to get a cup. Where's a good place to do? Okay, you know what? We're going to be ballsy and not do it over the sink. Ooh, is that hot? Is that hot? Is that hot? Woo! Nah, we're good. Alright, so we're just going to pour that in there. Alright, there we go. And then pour myself some. Hallelujah. We'll give some more to this person. Alright, and you're just going to leave it there because, I mean, let's be real, we're all lazy. Case in point, all these dishes. So, oh, damn it. I need that spoon. Whatever, we'll just use a knife. Now, this only enhances your hot chocolate. Just slap that bad boy in there. All right. Let's put that away. Put it in the fridge so it doesn't spoil. And let's put them next to each other. And there you have it. Hot chocolate. Thanks for watching. Can we get 1 million dislikes on this video?